She's fought every battle. Now, one enemy remains. You've taken enough from me. It's time to end.
In a city buried under $300,000 of debt, one woman dares to fight back.